is Thursday, Thursday, April 21st. Haven't done a video in a while. I've been really busy, and I apologize. I'm going to try to be more regular like I used to be. But I'm going to go ahead and take off a position right now. As you can see in TradeStation, open up $1,200 on a trade that we put on a little while ago. So I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to look to re-enter long with a rather small stop on this, okay? Let's see, just long 2 right now. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take this position off. I'm going to have let me just, okay, up 1250 on this particular trade. My sell stop, actually I'm going to use below the low of the day. 88 and a quarter. I'm going to go 88 and a quarter is my trailing stop on this. 88 and a quarter. Yes. If it comes out, takes out the low of the day, I don't want it anymore. 88 and a quarter is right there. So that is a working order right now. It's a trailing stop. Right there. Sell it at 88 and a quarter, which is below the low of the day. You can't see it because my scaling right here, you can't see it. So it's 88 and a quarter. I've been long for a while here. And I'm going to pause the video and see if I'm able to get taken out or if this market continues to charge higher from here, which I believe it will. But if it takes out the low of the day and I'm taken out of this particular position, I'm going to look to re-enter that position because I believe we're in an area where we can get a nice bounce. So let's just see what we get. I'll be back with you. All right, I am out of that trade. I was taken out right in here. So we closed out a little over 1,000, right? So the market did come down, take out those lows. Close out $1,025. Now I'm looking to actually get long. Markets grinded lower and lower and lower. I believe we're at a point where we could get a rally of a few points, 3 to 4 points possibly. I mean, obviously today, big trending down day, right? After testing the 52-week high in the S&Ps, overall market hitting 18,000 on an intraday basis. Pretty strong market overall, but we are getting a pullback, and that is to be expected after such an enormous run to the upside. So let's try to get long here. God, look at them. Let's see, 86 and a half. Let's see if we can get long at 86 and a half. See if we can catch a move to the upside. It's 86 and 3/4, 86 and 3/4. We're looking at 86 and a half. Blow this up a little bit so you can see it. 87, 86 and 3/4. Okay, let's see. Back and fill a little bit. Let's see. I would love to see this high broken to the upside, 87 and a half. Okay, really want to see that broken. If we can't break that, then there might be a little trouble. Look at the lows of the day. Lows of the day so far: 85 and a quarter, 85 and a quarter. Last 3-minute bar, 85 and a quarter. This is 87 and a half. Let's see if we can break up through this. If we can break up through 87 and a half and actually close above it, not just penetrate it intrabar, but close above 87 and a half. Again, could the market run up to here? Possibly. The next high would be 90 and a quarter. That's always a possibility, but let's do this. A lot of you that have followed me for a long time know that I'm a big fan of Fibonacci retracements, right? So let's take a look at, well, this is pre-market, right? This is the overnight high. So what's today's high? 930 high, about right here, 936. Yeah, right there. This is the high of today. So let's just put a horizontal line on that. We're going to measure from that high down to today's low. All right, there we go. So we've got the fibs. We've got the 38.50. Let's take a look at this. Got the 38, 50, and 60, right? So we got the 38, which is pretty much this last high. All right. What time is it? It is a little after 2:24. It's 2:24 in the afternoon. We've been coming down quite a bit. I would expect some type of counter trend move, right? Counter trend means against the trend. Today's trend is down. A counter trend move would be to the upside. And I would expect, and we'll see what happens, okay? I would expect the market to try to come up to 90 and a quarter, which would be this last high. So we'll go 89 3/4. That's what we're shooting for. 89 3/4. One tick below the round number of 90, and it'd be about 2 to 3 ticks below the 38 of the day. But sometime in the next hour and a half to almost 2 hours, the market closes at 4:15. The futures, right? So, I mean, I would expect the market to rally up into this area. We'll see if we get it. Who knows what happens? We've got this low. If the market comes down another time, I really want to see how the market reacts to this low. If we can't close below it, or if we just take it out for a short period of time and we start back to the other side, then I would expect at that point we're going to get a bounce. But let's just see what happens. I'm going to pause the video. I'll be back short. All right, so far we are wrong. My initial stop loss is at 83 1/4. All right, so we're not out just yet. 83 1/4. It's at 83 3/4, 83, 84. As you can see down in here, we broke down through this. Again, the trend is down. I thought we had a short-term bottom where we would bounce, but we didn't do it. 83 1/4 is the stop. Let's just see if we get filled. We got a big bar down. Let's just see. 83 1/4 sell stop. All right. Let's just see. I'll be back shortly. Our stop's in place. All right. Almost filled. 83 1/4 is the stop on a sell stop. 83 1/2. Let's see if we get stopped out of this one. 83 1/4 is what we're looking for. There we go.
Order filled.
83 1/4. So we are out of that trade. We lost a couple $100 on 2, and we were wrong on this. So there you go. Have a great day. Hopefully the video was helpful. Good to be back, and I should be back pretty much every day. Have a great one. Bye for now.